In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up offline conversion tracking in Shopify. This is a useful setup because it helps you connect purchases and other important actions in the real world with the ads that may have influenced them. The goal is to make sure your marketing platforms can see conversions that happen after a customer interacts with your ads, even if the conversion itself does not occur directly inside the ad platform. To begin, open your Shopify admin. You can usually find this by going to your Shopify website and selecting the admin area, then logging in. Once you are in Shopify admin, you will see the main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct store, because the changes you make here will apply to your current Shopify account. Next, go to the Apps section. In the Shopify admin interface, this is typically located in a left-hand menu or a navigation area labeled Apps. You are looking for a place where you can search for and install additional tools. This matters because offline conversion tracking often relies on an app or integration that connects Shopify to your advertising platforms. From there, you will search for the Facebook and Instagram integration, or alternatively, the Google and YouTube integration. In the App search field, you can type the relevant platform name. For many setups, you will either choose Facebook and Instagram or choose Google and YouTube, depending on where you are running your campaigns. As you type, Shopify or the App Store will show matching results. Make sure you are selecting the integration that aligns with the platform you want to track conversions for. Once you locate the correct integration, the next step is to click Install. When you click Install, Shopify will usually guide you through the installation flow. At this point, it is important to pay attention to what the installer requests, because you are granting the app permission to connect to parts of your store. Read through any prompts carefully so you understand what the app is going to access. After you click Install, you may need to confirm a few things. Sometimes there is a button to confirm installation, or a short checklist showing what will be configured automatically. If the screen asks for any additional approvals, follow along and complete them based on what you see on your device. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Shopify version and the app you selected, but the process is generally straightforward. While the installation is running, it can help to stay on the page and wait for Shopify to finish setting up the app. Do not close the tab or navigate away too quickly, because the connection process may still be completing in the background. Once the install finishes, you should be able to return to the app listing area and see that the integration is now active or installed. At this stage, you have completed the initial setup steps needed to start offline conversion tracking. The app will now be available for further configuration inside Shopify. Depending on the integration, you may later connect your ad accounts and confirm that events like purchases are mapped correctly. However, the actions we covered here focus specifically on getting the integration installed, so the tracking capability is in place. To recap, you open Shopify admin, moved to the apps area, searched for Facebook and Instagram or Google and YouTube, and then clicked install. That is the foundation you need before you can move on to deeper conversion tracking configuration. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.